Bubby, tonight we're gonna have some real dinner, okay? Are we gonna have some cereal? Yeah? Okay. You wanna look at it? Let's put your tray on. You can put your hands up here. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Daddy, how did you do this before?
He just clips down, baby. And I don't even have a college education yet.
Are you ready? Here we go. What do you think? Is it good? It is good.
How much is he supposed to eat?
As much as he wants. As much as the baby wants. Yummy?
He's like, I don't get it.
Is it good?
I usually drink my meals.
Is it good? You can swallow. You can swallow. Don't